going, but I'm comfortable. Feeling out of body, you can take my soul. Light speed, energy, strict G-force. No blankets when you got hot sauce. That's fast. Never had it like that, so bad. No, I'll never go back so fast. Even if it gon' crash, I'm gonna make it last. Stimulated when the tempo changing. Oh, I can't explain it. Tell me what's this feeling? It's taking me high. It's taking all we can get high. But we keep going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. I keep going. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. It's taking me high. Oh, it's taking me high. But we keep going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Hey, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Skywalking, we elevate. Tonight you might make me fly away. Skywalking, we elevate. Tonight you might make me fly away. Let's elevate. Tonight you might make me it's taking me high. Though we can get high. But we keep going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. We keep going. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. It's taking me high. Though we can get high. But we keep going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
Let's learn Can't Get Higher. It's choreographed by Debbie Rushton. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. It has tags on walls 3 and 7 after 16 counts and on wall 10 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and where they happen, and then we're going to go through and dance 11 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Can't Get Higher. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left. Step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. You're now going to cross your left over your right. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to shuffle back with our left, stepping left back, right together, left back. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, starting with your cross side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left, shuffle forward with your right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. We're now going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your left, and then you're going to do a double clap. So let's try that with some counts. We just shuffled back with our left. You're going to rock back with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do 4 skates forward. So you're going to take your right foot, bring it in towards your left, and then push it out to the right. Then you're going to take your left foot, bring it in towards the right, and push it out to the left. Same thing with the right, bring it in towards the left and push it out. Bring your left foot in and push it out. You're now going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder, making a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Doing your small skates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to do 4 skates starting with our left. So you're going to bring your left foot in and push it out. Right foot in, push it out. Left foot in, push it out. Right foot in, push it out. You're now going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and we're going to do a quarter turning chassé, turning over your left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the side, step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot to the side, and that is the end of the dance. When you finish this chassé, you want your hips slightly open to the left so you can go into your cross-side sailor step. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your skates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your cross side sailor. So it's cross, side, sailor, step, cross, quarter, back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step, skate, 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 rock, half shuffle. Skate, 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 rock, quarter chasse. Now, let's do it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your cross side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So let's talk about the tags. The first two tags, the ones that happen after 16 counts on walls 3 and 7, are going to be a right foot starting tag. The one that you do after 24 counts on wall 10 is going to be a left starting tag. They're going to be the same footwork, but one starts with the left and the other two start with your right. So when we dance, your first one's going to be wall 3, so you're going to be facing the front. We're going to do 16 counts, which is up to your step half. So we're starting with our cross side sailor, cross side sailor, step, cross quarter back, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, step, half pivot, step. This is where you're going to add on the tag. The tag for wall 3 and 7 are exactly the same and will happen at the same point in the dance. So we're going to step out with our right, out with our left. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart. And we're going to do a hip roll counterclockwise from left to right, and then put your weight onto your left foot. If you would like, on the hip roll, you can go woo. So you would step out, out, and as you rolled your hips, you're going to go woo, and then start all over again. So let's try that with some counts, stepping out, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you finish this hip roll, you want your hips slightly angled to the left so you can go into your cross side sailor step. You'll then dance wall 4, wall 5, wall 6, and then when we get to the side wall for 9 o'clock, you're going to dance 16 counts of wall 7 and then do the tag to face 12 o'clock. So let's dance the 16 counts and add on that tag facing 12 o'clock, starting with your cross side sailor. Cross side sailor step, cross quarter back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step, do your tag, out, out, hip, roll. Ready to start over again. On this hip roll again, if you would like to go woo, feel free to. We'll then dance wall 8, wall 9, and then when we come back to the front for wall 10, you're going to dance 24 counts. This takes our tag from a right starting tag to a left foot starting tag. So it's going to be that same tag, but we're going to go left, right, and do your hip roll with your woo if you would like, and start the dance over again. So let's dance those 24 counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross side sailor. Cross side sailor step, cross quarter back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step. Now skate, 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 rock, half shuffle. Right here, you're going to add on your final tag, starting with your left foot, stepping left out, right out, and do your hip roll with your woo. And then you're ready to start over again, making sure you're angling your hips to the left. So those tags are what make it a 4-wall dance. So when we do the first tag, it's going to take our dance from a front and back 2-wall dance to a side to side. Then when you do the second tag, it's going to bring you back to the front and back, and the third tag will bring you back to side. Your final wall will end facing 9 o'clock. There is no ending listed on the step sheet, but if you're somebody that likes to end facing 12 o'clock, what Debbie did in her video was she kind of did a 3/4 turn over her left shoulder. So you turn on your left foot, turning over your left shoulder, and then step your right foot to the right side to face 12 o'clock. It's going to be a 3/4 turn as you step to that side to face 12 o'clock, and you can kind of do a little bit of a pose if you would like, or you can just end facing the side, or if there's something that you feel more comfortable doing, maybe it's a quarter half pivot. You know, you have some counts at the very end of the song to do whatever you would like to turn back to 12 o'clock if you like to end facing the front. So now let's go around. When we alternate between front and back and side to side, on the front walls I'm going to do steps, back wall I'm going to do counts. When we come side to side, the 3 o'clock wall or our right wall, I'm going to do steps. The 9 o'clock wall or our left wall, I'm going to do counts. We are going to dance 11 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from all the tags into the next wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your cross side sailor. Cross side sailor step, cross quarter back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step. Skate, 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 or rock, half shuffle. Skate, 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 or rock, quarter chasse, cross side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 16 counts, and then do your tag. Cross side, sailor step, cross quarter back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step. Do your tag, out, out, hip roll, woo! Start over. Cross side, sailor step, cross corner back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step. Skate, 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 or rock, half shuffle. Skate, 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 rock, quarter chasse, cross side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross side sailor step, cross quarter back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step. Skate, 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 or rock, half shuffle. Skate, 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 or rock, quarter chasse. 16 counts, and then do your tag. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over. Cross side sailor step. Cross quarter back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step. Skate, 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 or rock, half shuffle. Skate, 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 or rock, quarter chasse, cross side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 24 counts, then add on tag 2. Cross side sailor step, cross quarter back, shuffle back. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, half pivot, step. Skate, 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 rock, half shuffle. Do your tag, it's left, out, out, hip, roll. Cross side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then after that, you will dance until the end. And if you choose to do that turn to the front, that is up to you. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Can't Get Higher. If you have any questions, let me know.